Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Go ahead and go to your favorite search bar and type in Visual Studio Code. The site you're going to want to go to is https://code.visualstudio.com. I'm going to go ahead and go there. You have a little green download bar. It says download for Windows. I'm using a Windows computer, so that's the option I'm going to select. However, if I were using Mac or Linux, I could select one of those options. Go ahead and click on download for Windows, and it should pop up asking you to save the file. Go ahead and save the file. I've already done that. When you've saved the file, you can either find it, since I'm using Firefox, this little drop-down menu right here, or you can find it in your downloads folder right here, Visual Studio Code user setup. So let's go ahead and run the setup file. And would help if I closed Visual Studio out. Accept the user agreements. Add it to path. I like creating a desktop icon as well. Click next, click install. Wait for it to finish installing. Once it's done, go ahead and launch it. So there you go. You've got Visual Studio Code installed on your computer. In another video, we're going to take a look at how to get Java set up and how to run the basic Hello World Java program using Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to having you come back for another video. Thanks.